Further to the system was the service that we received from Grander Water. I have dealt with numerous builders, numerous trades, numerous service providers, numerous suppliers, and not a single one can outdo the service provided to us by Wayne. It took a single phone call, and I felt that even though I must be one of many customers, that he would turn the world upside down to help us. Whether it was checking in after hours by a friendly phone call, whether it was calling in and remembering that he had asked for a water test to be done, calling in that weekend, or when he comes back from his family holiday, just to say, how's the pool going? And let's look at this instead. There was never a mention of, and that's going to be $65 an hour for my advice, for my consultation. It wasn't money driven. It's just purely good heart and good serviceship. And that is so incredibly rare. So not only do you sign up for a service or a product which will improve your life in a tangible manner, in a physical manner, but you're also affiliating yourself with a company who practice what they preach, who are true and are good-hearted people. Good-hearted people don't create phony products. And I think that the experience of the Grander Water system and the experience with Wayne from Grander Water, experiencing the Grander Water product and the Grander Water service, it's really a testimony to them as a company and to their honest promises.